Morning, Poppy. We have a 2023 model F-150 in the shop, well, outside right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to program a key. This is the car that somebody stole and it was recovered. So my job here is the key that's inside the immobilizer right now, I have to delete that one, and we have 2 brand new keys that we have to program. So let's jump right into the video and let's get it over with, guys. This should be really simple, but only tools you're gonna need to start this job, you're gonna need a dealer scan tool. If you don't have a dealer scan tool, it's gonna be a little bit harder for you to program the keys. If you see right here, excuse me guys, if you look, this is what I'm working with. This is my old keys that I had. This is the one that I deleted from the vehicle already, and I have 2 brand new keys. I already programmed one. This one is not programmed yet. This one here is programmed. Good. Hold on. Let's see. I'm getting them. There you go. Getting them all mixed up. So this is the program key. So we'll go ahead and put that one on the dash. That one is good. We have another one that we have to program. So the first step, guys, is to go ahead and have 2 brand new keys. You cannot go ahead and clear the system or do a parameter reset if you don't have 2 keys. If you don't have 2 keys, you're gonna have a lot of troubles. Even the scan tool lets you know, make sure you have 2 keys on hand to go ahead and make this job possible, to go ahead and program 2 new keys. And the reason we are programming 2 new keys to this truck is because before the customer head off to the gym, he went ahead and started the truck outside and he left the truck sitting. And when he went back outside, guys, when he was ready to go to the gym, the truck was not there. Somebody stole the truck and parked it in the Bronx. So the truck was recovered via the Ford Pass app. So now we have to program the keys. So enough said, guys. Let's jump right into it. So the keys that's not programmed, you're gonna go ahead and grab them, and then you have a slot right by the cup holder. You have to go ahead and pull the rubber gasket up. Go ahead and remove it. It's gonna be one of these is sitting right. Well, I already moved it, guys. I'm just trying to pick it up to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what you're moving. It sits right in the cup holder, and you just pick it up and you take it out. So now get your new keys and you put it down in there like that. Now we should be good to go ahead and program the keys. So now if we look, go ahead and program keys. Should be good. You should hear the keys start, the doors start locking. There you go. 4-way flashers. We're good. So now we are all set. So this key right here is no longer programmed to the truck. So this one is done. So now what we have to do is put the filters in, and that's it, guys. So this was just a quick video showing you guys how to program 2 keys. If your truck is stolen and you want to delete a key and program 2 keys, you need 2 brand new keys on hand. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie, that's his shit, bro. These niggas share, bro, but these niggas eat all day, gang.
I see that.
All right, guys, back to what I was saying. This one, I was advised to change the turbo on it. Yo, we have bigger issue. I can't change the turbo when I have 2 bolts missing here, and I have a huge oil leak from the front right here. We have to access this first and then replace the turbo. I checked the turbo just now. I'll put it back up for you guys in a few, but the turbo is not leaking. So to replace this intercooler is really, really hard. So I don't know. I have to order it, the seals, get the seals for inside of the intake, and then I have to, you know, figure out how I'm gonna get the intercooler out. It's gonna be a task, but you can't say it can't be done. Everything could be done. It's just gonna be a process for me. But other than that, that's it, guys. And I gotta show you guys the turbo. The turbo is not leaking at all. But like I said, you guys see in the outside shop said on the acceleration, it feels like the turbo needs to be replaced. And they came here and So that's how we end up there. So yeah, I'll update you guys furthermore. Try that line to get it out. Goes right there. Yeah, guys, that's it. Turbo's down, so we get the new one and we can start buckling it up and moving on from there. So I'm gonna take time out and then we should be able to get on everything from there. That's it. I don't get it with these customers, bro. Once they have a wheel, like it's like,
You saw the one that I had now?
The Audi?
Yeah.
No.
2013.
I gotta see it.
It's lower fucking, but it got like snow tire on wheel stock wheels.
This stuff.
It's a little lower.
I gotta see it.
It's like right there.
Right there? I bet. So check it out. What's up, Pop? Shiesty! You can see an axle boot leaking on this one. You can see it right there. So we're gonna note that as well. What else can we see? Let's check. Yeah, wow. Both sides is leaking. This side and this side. It's pretty bad, guys. So let's go ahead and put that in our note. Both axle leaking. Okay, the oil pan is leaking, but it's not really the oil pan. It's the seal right here. It's starting to go. This seal on the inside needs to be replaced. So yeah, we gotta note that as well. Intermediate shaft needs to be replaced. So almost everything on this vehicle needs to be replaced. Got intermediate shaft there. You got the axle there, and you have the axle on this side. So yeah.